Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Monday morning, beginning of a new work week. Let's start with last night. Last night I prepared the salsa verde shrimp and rice. I took a base recipe and I kicked it up a couple notches and casual chefed it. It was good. I'm glad actually I changed some things in the recipe that actually, if you've been cooking for a long time or medium length of time, there were some things that you would have noticed as well. Some timing issues. Rice doesn't cook in 15 minutes. I don't care what you try to do. So there were things like that. I will say, oops, I was a little heavy-handed on the cumin. Yeah. So other than that, it's a great recipe. I'll have it up this morning. Tonight, let me see what I got going here. There's a couple recipes. We've got chicken with garlic herb sauce. Chicken with garlic herb sauce. And the new family fit, one of the, Monday, you need another cup of coffee. And another new family favorite that I did on Thanksgiving, the creamy corn casserole. Robin got really, she's like, when she saw it on the list, she's like, is this what I think this is? I'm like, yeah, it is. She went, yay. Okay, so let's see what I got. Let's start with the chicken. I got chicken, boneless, skinless chicken thighs, chicken stock, red wine, garlic, of course, some olive oil, some thyme, Mexican oregano, of course, kosher salt and fresh ground black pepper. Matter of fact, I have to grind some today. A cheater box of scalloped potatoes is my starch. And here's the fixings for the creamy corn casserole. A can of whole kernel corn, a can of cream corn, a box of Jiffy corn muffin mix, sour cream, butter, and 2 eggs. I guarantee the leftovers for this corn dish will not last long. Both Robert and I loved it. Great. It's very similar to tomalito at Chevy's if you're a Northern California person, especially Sacramento region. It's very similar to the tomalito. And actually, I have the Chevy cookbook, but this is easier. So, have a great day. Please be safe in the rain if you're living in Northern California. And have a great day. Eat great food and have fun cooking.